Hi friends, I'm Rekha and I'm the Chief Trainer and Consultant in Kalpataru Consulting. Do you want to improve your team, your organization, or even improve yourself as an individual? Then you can adopt a technique used in Agile project management. So what is that? In Agile, there is a team meeting called retrospective in which team members come together and discuss what went well and what did not go well so far in the project. And based on that, they come out with improvement ideas which can be implemented for the betterment of the project. One of the technique used in development of idea is short subjects. So there are various ways in which this technique can be used. I will cover only one type. Start doing, stop doing, do more of, do less of. So the team will discuss what they want to start doing. They have identified some process or some step which they want to start doing for the betterment of the project. Stop doing. They have identified something which is an hindrance to the project which they want to stop. Do more of. Something which has helped the project which they want to increase the frequency. Do less of. Reduce the frequency of something which may be impossible to stop. Let me give you an example for better understanding. Start doing. You may discuss and come out with something which you want to start to improve your project. You would have identified to come out with a daily quick team meeting to help the team understand the project status and where they need to focus, just like the stand-up meeting in Agile project management. Stop doing. Stop gold plating. So what is gold plating? Delivering or giving some additional functions or features which the customer has not requested. So you may decide stop gold plating. Do more of. You may be communicating the project status to the management monthly once. Now you want to increase the frequency, maybe fortnightly. So do more of. Increase the communication to the management on the project status, and you think that it is going to bring more visibility to the management, in turn increase the management support to the project. Do less of. Reduce unscheduled meeting. You may want to stop, but practically it may not be possible, so do less of. This technique can be used in your personal life to improve yourself. How is that? Let me give you an example. Start doing. You may want to start something which will help you in your life. Maybe start reading, start exercise, yoga, pranayam, something like that. Stop doing. You may decide to stop eating junk food. Do more of. Maybe you want to increase the frequency of something which you have been doing. Maybe reading books, exercising, walking. Maybe you would be doing 3 days in a week and you want to increase the frequency to 5 days in a week. Do less of. Mindless internet browsing. So you may not be able to stop it. At least you may try to or decide to reduce, do less of. So this technique, short subjects, start doing, stop doing, do more of, do less of, can be used to improve your team, organization, and even yourself. I hope you understood, and it is definitely going to help you. All the very best. If you like this video, click on like button and subscribe to our channel for more learnings and information. Thank you.